HVAC systems can be costly. That's why we always recommend a maintenance plan to protect that investment. And keeping your home's HVAC unit in proper working order can reduce expensive problems in the future. Regularly changing the filters is one of the most important things you can do to extend the life and efficiency of an HVAC system. A dirty filter restricts airflow and causes your unit to work harder. Dirty coils can significantly reduce the efficiency of your unit. Regular maintenance will ensure they are cleaned properly. If your HVAC system runs constantly, our technicians can assess and address the issue. Examining your thermostat can establish if there are faulty wires or old batteries. Wear and tear of HVAC components may result in overheating, poor heating, or airflow issues. Regular maintenance can catch these problems before the damage is done. HVAC systems produce condensation, and if your drain pipes are clogged, then your system may leak. A thorough inspection can identify the problem. If your unit isn't cooling in the summer, a refrigerant leak may be the culprit. This forces the system to work harder, which causes even more wear and tear. A well-performing HVAC system is essential for a comfortable home, and you can help prevent malfunctions by scheduling regular maintenance. For more information on any of these common problems or our maintenance plan, be sure to visit conditionedairsolutions.com.